On the weekly chart, we're going to look at IREN. We're trading currently at 57.82, up around $6 on the end of the week as compared to Thursday's close. So where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? We've got a nice little week in here, big old pop coming in on Friday, and we're trading right here. We have this 58.28 line. That is what we're heading to. So we're right up against that right now. That was a major area for us of support in the past, as you can see right here in October, a little bit of resistance as well in early October. So that is going to be an area that we do need to keep on climbing to and then finally breach and then hold. That's going to be the main level coming into this shortened week. So if we can get above there, then we're looking at those $60 handles, and our main resistance up in here once we get in the 60s is going to be that 67.52. Now to the downside in here, so say we have a little bit of a gap down tomorrow and we still can't really breach that main 58 area, then we're going to be looking down here for our first support at 52.19, and then we're going to be looking at this 9-day EMA right here, 47.06, and then we're looking at this $40 cycle level down here. Your RSI has climbed back up to 67, so a little bit of overbought in here, especially on this big green candle of volume that we had in coming in last week. So we're going to see a little bit of consolidation on a shortened week in here, but this might be some indecision to bullish to neutral in here. It all kind of depends on what the market, and then if IREN is going to play kind of an inverse correlation with the market, or it's going to go with the market. So it's kind of, we're kind of just kind of wait and see game, right? But 58.28 is going to be that major key level coming up in here on this shortened week. IV rank in here is sitting at 57. Obviously, when you get a big move to either side on a smaller stock, that's what you're going to get. So a $6 move on a $57 stock, obviously IV rank is going to go through the roof. $6 expected move priced in by this Friday's expiration. Next Friday, $9. If you go all the way up to February, it looks like a $13 expected move is being priced in by your options trader. So let's see what happens in here. 58 is going to be the magical number for us in here on this shortened week. So let's see what kind of gap up or down we get going into Tuesday's open. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.